Hello once again. This Kashif again. Um, in Trinidad and Tobago, you have two seasons: the dry season and the rainy season. Once it comes to beekeeping, you need to feed your colony often in the rainy season because they can't fly much during the rainy season because moisture on their wings. Also, you protect your colony from ants, a lot of ants, plus vermites and wax spot. They have others, but those are the main one right there. Also, you have a keep around your colony clean, around your april clean because ants can actually get into your colony by grass. Once you keep it clean and also keep a water trough or oil trough full, you will get no problem with your parasites like ants and stuff. I always keep looking out for mites and also wax spots. And in the dry season now you'll have it'll be dry and you get a lot of flowers out, and that's good for your bees because they feed on the nectar and pollen, and your bees need pollen and nectar to survive. Else, what the point of you know? Right now we coming from the dry season into the coming from the rainy season into the dry season. Right now you might get some rains right now, but hopefully by next month we'll get lots of flowers blooming and lots of sunshine, and you'll be able to strive doing so. And right now in the Caribbean, especially Trinidad and Tobago, have a lot of fruit trees and a lot of flowers and a lot of trees that's very good for bees in the health.